Tell your daughters and sons to be mindful of strange movements and sudden invitations. This young beautiful lady was invited by her boyfriend and now she has been used for rituals. Her head was burnt into ashes and pounded to prepare soap concoctions for quick money rituals in Ogun State. Her name is Sulaiman Adijat, a young beautiful lady who was handed over to ritualists by her male friend. He sold the entire body parts of Adijat after secretly mutilating her, and in the end, she was being distributed like a commodity and resold to different buyers, including church pastors and clerics who works for Yahoo Boys. According to the report, the beautiful lady, whose name is Adijat, left her home on Tuesday, the 9th of January 2024 at around 10 a.m. after returning from her workplace in the morning where she works as a security guard. And as at the time of the incident, it was reported that she was on night duty. And according to her close relatives, Adijat left home on the fateful day. Immediately, she received an invitation call from her male friend whose name is Aziz. She had put on a nice outfit for the invitation, unknown to her that she would never return home again. The families began to search for her when she was not seen up till the following day. Her phone line has been switched off without any trace. And by the third day, a report of a missing person was made at the police station. And during police investigation, it was discovered that her male friend, whose name is Aziz, is the prime suspect responsible for the incident. But unfortunately, Aziz has now fled and escaped arrest, but all his accomplices has now been arrested, and from their confessions, Adijat's head has now been used to prepare soap concoctions for quick money rituals. This is heartbreaking, and we console the families and relatives of the victim. Tell your daughters and loved ones to be wary of their movement in the coming days. And also, tell the working boys who depends on ritual soaps from clerics to boost their fraud, Yahoo, and businesses that Nemesis will catch up. Findings have now shown that several pastors and alphas are now involved in giving ritual soaps, which is secretly made up of human heads and body parts to their clients. And surely the harsh repercussions of money rituals and human sacrifices will one day befall them as they continue to bat with unknown mixtures given to them for magic wealth. A pastor of the Kerubu and Seraphim Church and another pastor who owns a church in Ikotun, Lagos, were both tracked and arrested by the police following their patronage and purchase of human parts from the same dealers who distributed Adijat's body. The herbalist who bought the complete missing lady and another cleric who purchased Adijat's head from him and burnt it into ashes before pounding it into soap was also arrested, and they all confessed to the crime. Unfortunately, Aziz, the male friend and the prime suspect who invited Adijat to his place, is yet to be arrested. The herbalist also confirmed to the police that the prime suspect, Aziz, who is presently at large, is a regular supplier of humans and various body parts and organs whenever it is needed, and that several other young innocent people has been captured and distributed just like they did to Adijat. Several bags and belongings of various ladies who have fallen their victim in the past and has been used for rituals were all discovered in the herbalist shrine.
Orí àti ọwọ́. Orí àtọwọ́. Orí àti ọwọ́. Àtọyàn. Orí àtọwọ́. Ọyàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe?
Iṣẹ́ wòlíì.
Iṣẹ́ wòlíì. Torúkọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín?
Òkè Gbédìde.
Òkè Gbédìde. Bọ̀ kí lẹ́yìn ti rà lọ́wọ́ àìsílà?
Mi ò ra gbé ẹran lọ, mo sọ fún ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ẹran wá 10,000 naira.
Inú àṣẹ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ mí ni ẹran.
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kí lẹ fi ṣe?
Mo fi ṣe àṣírí bíbò òṣòlẹ̀.
Àṣírí bíbò
òṣòlẹ̀.
Peter Olúwa ló lè ṣe. Peter Olúwa ló lè ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Peter 48 years. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Careness. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. God has done it.
God has
Done it. mistake mi ìlò rárá rí mi ìlò.
orúkọ yóò ṣe yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
òkè gbé dìde. òkè gbé dìde.
òkè gbé dìde. òkè wo lẹ́ ń gbé dìde. òkè wo lẹ́ ń gbé dìde nínú ìjọ yín. ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
gbókè kankan dìde.
gbókè kankan dìde.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹ̀kọ́ lórúkọ Ọlọ́run ẹbí tú àwọn èèyàn jẹ. ẹ̀ ń lórúkọ Ọlọ́run ẹbí tú àwọn èèyàn jẹ. àwọn nǹkan gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá níwájú yín lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n kó síwájú yín bá ta ló ní àwọn iṣẹ́ wo lẹ́bí ṣe.
èmi ni mò ń lò fún ara mi.
ẹ mú kinní kan dání lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kinní yẹn lẹ́bí yẹn ṣe.
wọ́n fi ń béèrè nǹkan ni.
ẹ fi ń béèrè kí ló tẹ̀lé béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tẹ́ pé nǹkan yẹn lẹ fi ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ lẹ fi ń béèrè ọ̀nà tọ́nà yín dín ni ẹgbẹ́ kí ni ẹsẹ̀ ń lọ wojú kámẹ́rà tọ́nà yín dín ni.
kò di Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó di.
tọ́yà ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó di kí ló tẹ̀ ṣe ń lo nǹkan míì láti máa fi ṣiṣẹ́ fọ́lọ́run pé ẹ fi ń béèrè ọ̀nà láti pé iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ forúkọ Ọlọ́run fojú ni iṣẹ́ burúkú lẹ̀ ń ṣe iṣẹ́ burúkú lẹ̀ ń ṣe àbí ẹ̀kọ́ fi kíní yẹn ẹ̀kọ́ fi bojú ni àbí ẹ fi bojú ẹ fi orúkọ Ọlọ́run ẹ fi bojú níbo ni ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín wà.
Jẹ̀gún.
Ìjẹ̀gún níbo.
Ìjẹ̀gún náà ló wà.
níbo ní Jẹ̀gún.
ní ọ̀nà Jẹ̀gún.
níbo ní Jẹ̀gún wà.
Èkó.
níbo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Èkó ní Jẹ̀gún wà.
níbo kí lórúkọ ṣé kò ládùúgbò nẹ.
Ìkọ̀tún.
nǹkan tí mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín nìyẹn Ìkọ̀tún àbí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹ bá ti ní ọmọ ìjọ tó pọ̀ gan-an.
ẹrú mi lọ́mọjọ. mi lọ́mọjọ.
lọ́mọjọ mẹ́jọ mélòó ló wà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín. Ọlọ́run pè tọ́lọ́run bá pè yín àwọn ọmọ ìjọ máa pọ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín ẹ̀yin lẹ pera yín àbí. ibo lẹ ti wá ń jó àwọn kìíní.
àwọn tó ní náà máa ń gbé lọ èmi èèyàn kan ṣo lójó lọ́dọ̀ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan Olúwo Mandela Sunday Monday Samuel.
ẹ bá ń fún wọn ní máìkì lọ́hùn. Olúwo Mandela ẹ̀mí ilẹ̀ ti jórí lọ́dọ̀ bàbá yìí.
ẹ̀ẹ̀kan náà ni.
ẹ̀ẹ̀kan lẹ jórí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹ̀mí ilẹ̀ ra orí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì.
ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì ẹ̀ ti ra orí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
àti kí ni ẹ tún rà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
mi ò ra ju ẹran lọ mo sọ fún ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ẹran 10,000 naira.
inú wa ṣe ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ mí ni ẹran.
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni. bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
kí lẹ fi ṣe.
mo fi ṣe àṣírí bíbò òṣòlẹ̀.
àṣírí bíbò
òṣòlẹ̀.
àwọn ń kọ́
Abídèmí Moses 45 bẹ́ẹ̀ni Àtàn bẹ́ẹ̀ni Àtàn gbogbo Àtàn Àtàn Igbó Olómi bẹ́ẹ̀ni. mẹ́ta. di 9 7 5 ẹyọkan ó wà ṣáàdùn mẹ́díkù ń tọ́jú aláìsàn. bẹ́ẹ̀ni aláìsàn lèmi máa ń tọ́jú so àwọn tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ọṣẹ oṣù tó ń jẹ́ bíi aláwo àwọn ni wọ́n bẹ̀ mí pàtì èèyàn.